Hi guys, we're here in Wiltshire today and I'm here with
Seb from the YouTube channel AC or Akamaro right up there, see?
and we're doing an 8-mile hike and we'll be visiting the famous Stonehenge and also the iconic Woodhenge monument. But before we do, let's have a look at the route.
First we're going to Wiltshire, then with a little turn we're going to Cuckoo Stone, then straight down again to Old King Burrows.
Then we're going to head through New King Burrows, then through Stonehenge, then we're going to pass through Cocos Ridge Burrows, then through the tiny village of
Lockhill.
And that's 8 miles nipped. So we're heading up to our first checkpoint now, Woodhenge. It's a monument which dates back from the Neolithic times.
It's a circling monument with posts dating back to 2500 BC.
It's 2 miles northeast of Stonehenge and slightly north of Amesbury. Ovals and surrounded by a bank of ditches made to align with the summer solstice. It was believed to be identified by a World War I veteran in 1926 by means of aerial photography. So all these tombs were once timber.
And much higher.
Yeah guys, so we're now in the Cuckoo field heading over to have a look at the Cuckoo stones. Apparently this field has over 6,000 years of human activity.
I guess you can say that with everything.
So we're going to go up there, have a look, see what's going on. When the settlement at Durrington was in use, about 3500 BC, farmers built along Burrow, and the stone remained an important place of burial and ceremony into Roman times. So far the weather has been absolutely amazing. Perfect conditions for walking. Sun's out. Not too hot. Cool. It's easy on the feet. At the minute temperatures are high as 13 degrees Celsius.
We've walked 2.5 miles. I'm feeling great. How about you, Egan?
Doing fantastic.
This is the Woodhenge to Stonehenge walk if you ever want to come, and we're in Wiltshire, near Amesbury and Durrington.
Yeah guys, so we heading through this little foresty area, I think it's called Tall Trees.
Yep.
And we heading towards the A303 now, so we should be able to start see views of Stonehenge pretty soon. We just come up to Old King Burrows. It's pretty much an extension of the Stonehenge site. In this area there's pockets scattered all over the place with ancient burial grounds.
These graves date back to the Neolithic age. These graves are such as monumental tombs, multi-tombs and grave gods.
We're coming up to New King Burrows, so we're gonna go up, have a look, see what this is all about. Okay guys, so we're now in New King Burrows. There's all sorts of burial tombs here.
Basically, this is a grave, as you can tell, because it's a big little hill. If we come over here, and you can see all, and there's quite a lot of burials. So we started here at Woodhenge, then we went down here to Cuckoo Stone, then we went through King Burrow Ridge, then we went here, we're here now, and we're still in King Burrow Ridge. Then we're going to go down here, then we're going to go straight here, round here. We're not going to the visitor centre, we'll go to Lark Hill, straight back down, all around here, back to Woodhenge. That's our route.
Okay guys, so we're in Stonehenge Avenue now, just walking up to the rocks. If you do decide to come here, you can go to the visitors centre where there's a museum, and you'll get a lot more information on this area itself. But we're just doing an 8-mile walk. On our walk just include just a quick view of the stones. But you should be able to get some good views anyway. But we're not actually going inside to where the stones are. Guys, so Stonehenge was built in several phases between 2000 to 3000 BC, and it was built back in the Neolithic times, or the Neolithic period. So I'll just get a little bit closer, show you what's going on. There are a few theories why the henge was created. First was for astronomical reasons, which was most popular with the summer solstice. Cremated remains was also found that suggested that this site was used for burial purposes. Okay guys, so we leaving Stonehenge now, head up to Corcus Burrows. Have a look over there, see what's going on. However, Stonehenge remains a World Heritage Site, and it's a tourist attraction that attracts millions of people over each year. So we just ventured along the Corcus Ridge Burrows.
Are you tired? Yeah, Egan?
No.
We've travelled 4.4 miles.
Now we're gonna head past the Corcus. The closest monument's purpose today still remains a mystery, but it was discovered in 1723 by a man called William Stukeley. Unless we've got aerial photographic capabilities, I'm unable to give you a bird's eye view of what the actual site looks like. Jacob's legs are still holding up. We're going to head back towards Durrington, and we'll either meet you in Larkhill Well, I hope you enjoyed the walk as much as we did, and good effort, 8 miles nipped in them legs, so well done, and see you guys on the next one.